Today we will show you how to generate reports from the i5000 using the VCIR software. One thing to point out is the VCIR software is licensed to one PC. If you want the software on multiple PCs, you will need to purchase multiple VCIR software packages. So first, let's make sure our verifier is powered on here. Then we're going to enter the settings by pressing the print and right arrow and scrolling all the way down until we see output device. Here, you want to make sure this output device says computer and not TP140A or B. Underneath this, there is an option to select auto print as well. This will just automatically print the results or generate the results on your software directly after scanning. We will go all the way down to the bottom and hit exit with save. Now make sure the interface cables to the VCIR software are plugged in connectly. So here's your cable. This end will go into the verifier and the USB end will go into your computer. Next, we will go to the software. Make sure the software shows the same verifier model you're using at the top here. If it does not, go to the setup. You have to type in a password, and the password is blockade in all lowercase. Then go back to the setup page, go to options and settings, and then at the top you will see a verifier name. You can click this drop down to select the different RJS verifiers. I am using the i5000 Auto Optic, so I select that, hit OK, and now our VCIR software is ready for us to generate a report. Going back to the verifier, now we will verify our code. I'm using an Auto Optic scan head on single scan for this example, but please note the worldwide standard is a 10 scan average throughout the height of the barcode. So I'll get my one scan. On the verifier, I will hit the print button, and you can select from different options such as analysis only through a date or time period, previous 7 days, previous days. For this example, I will just do the analysis. So you can either hit the blue select button or the print icon again. And now my results have been printed to the VCIR software. Here's what you will see when you hit print on the verifier. This will be automatically generated after scanning code if you had the auto print selected in the settings. If we take a quick look at the report, you will see the verifier and firmware version at the top. You'll see the date and time, how many scans we did, what type of code, and the encodation here. Below, you will see all the ISO parameters and their associated grades. And right in the middle here, you will see the overall symbol grade for this code. You can save this report to any folder on your PC, print a physical copy if needed, or export to a CSV file. This concludes our walkthrough of generating a report from your i5000 with VCIR software. Please see our other videos for more information or contact us for further questions.